Today we're looking at jobs as code. Here we are seeing some definitions of a job created in JSON format code. Here is all of the job definition from start time, end time, dependencies, resources, etc. All created in your favorite IDE, in this case Notepad++. This utility has the ability to validate the definitions. Once validated, you can run the definitions into Control-M. And here we have the view in Control-M. The important piece of information here is the run ID. This run ID is unique to every flow that you order. Using the run ID, we can get the status of the flow. That could be an individual job or the complete folder of work. Using this, we can capture the job ID, which is its order ID. We can then be specific and go directly to a job and find the details of this particular job. Here we can see the job name, the folder name, the order ID, so its expected start and end time, if it's waiting on anything. And we can also go and look at the job output. In this case, there is no output because this job hasn't started yet. Now, we can affect operations against these jobs. So in this particular example, we're starting the workflow with the Run Now option. Now we can start to look at things such as the log and find out what the job actually did. So here we have a traditional Control-M log information showing who released it, it's waiting for a time window, if it was waiting on a workload policy, and we see the job's completion status. We can also look at the output for this particular job, and here we see that it issued an ls command and we see the responses issued back to us. In our job flow, we have resources to restrict the number of jobs that can execute at any one time. So here we see in our definition the resource and its quantity of 1. And here in our GUI, we see 2 jobs waiting and 1 job executing because of the resource allocation. And this is how we can manage the workflows without a GUI, all done via the command lines.